Hi everyone, I'm Maria and you're watching the OmniStudio beginner course. This course was created together with Lindenberg Venancio based on his materials. We'll go through the essentials of OmniStudio step by step, and by the end you will feel confident using it in real projects. Today, let's talk about OmniStudio architecture. Basically, we can divide it into three layers. First is digital experience layer that includes user interface components like flexcards and OmniScript. Second is service management layer that includes backend components like integration procedures and data mappers. And the third one is developer experience layer that includes DevOps tools for moving components between environments, like IDX build tool and IDX workbench. So let's talk about digital experience layer. These components are built on top of Lightning Web components, but you don't need to create any LWC components or write any code. Everything is declarative. Flex cards. It's like a card that contains some key information for user, and user can do some actions from this flex card. And OmniScripts, it's like a guided path uh, for users step by step. It can be similar to a wizard or a screen flow. Service management. Service management layer uh, it includes components that work with data. Read, write, create, insert, calculate, everything with data, everything from backends. Data mappers, it is a group of components. There are 5 types of data mappers. 4 types, sorry. First is turbo extracts. It's like a SQL query, simple one that can retrieve data from one object, from one Salesforce object. Data mapper extracts, it is like more advanced version. It can retrieve data from more than one Salesforce object. Data mappers load, it's a component that do some DML operations like update or insert in Salesforce records, but cannot delete. And data mappers transform is the only one that does not work with Salesforce database. It just works with data. Receive some data, transform, and gives some another data in output. It can be useful, for example, if you have some JSON in one structure format and you need to have another format, another structure. You can do that with data mapper transform. And another component is integration procedures. They do all necessary calculation, can work with loops, lists, call data mappers, and good point that integration procedures do all this. Sorry, I have some problem with my microphone. I was talking that integration procedures do all these things that I named, work with data, do calculations and everything in a single server call that make it work faster. So I wanted in the end to talk about how will be my course. I plan to make 2 big blocks. First of videos, short videos. First will be about service management. We talk in different videos about data mappers, different types of data mappers, about integration procedures, and another big block of videos will be about user experience. about flexcards and OmniScripts, and I don't have a plan to talk about DevOps tools. So for today, that's all. I hope it was useful for you. Please give a like to this video. It is important for me. Goodbye.